Samsung has finally revealed the first official glimpse of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A57, and it looks like the company is seriously refining its mid-range strategy for 2026. The first thing people will notice is the refreshed design. Samsung has introduced a redesigned rear camera module that helps the Galaxy A57 stand out more clearly within the A series lineup. The overall look still follows Samsung's clean, modern, and premium style, but the camera layout now gives the device a more distinctive appearance compared to previous models. Color options are also getting attention this year. According to information shared by tech insider Roland Quant, the Galaxy A57 is expected to arrive in 5 different colors: charcoal, icy blue, gray, lilac, and navy. As with previous A-series models, Samsung will reportedly brand these finishes under its awesome color theme, keeping the youthful and lifestyle-focused identity alive for the mid-range lineup. But the real story is not just about design or colors, it is about performance. Reports suggest that the Galaxy A57 will be powered by Samsung's new Exynos 1680 chipset. This could be a major step forward for Samsung's mid-range phones. If properly optimized, the chip may deliver performance levels much closer to flagship devices. Benchmark results already hint at a noticeable improvement compared to the previous Samsung Galaxy A56. The A56 previously scored around 1,353 in single-core and 3,832 in multi-core tests, while the A57 reportedly reaches around 1,311 single-core and an impressive 4,347 multi-core score. That jump in multi-core performance means better multitasking, smoother app switching, and stronger overall efficiency. Graphics performance is also expected to improve thanks to a GPU upgrade, which should help with gaming, video processing, and heavy workloads. Another interesting detail is the display supply. Some reports suggest the Galaxy A57 may use an OLED panel produced by BOE rather than Samsung Display. If true, it could indicate a cost optimization move or a strategic shift in Samsung's supply chain. Durability and battery life are also receiving upgrades. A listing from the European Union's EPREL database reveals that the Galaxy A57 has received an A energy efficiency rating and is rated for up to 52 hours of battery life on a single charge. The listing also mentions support for around 1,200 charging cycles, suggesting long-term battery durability. The phone is also expected to feature an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, meaning it could survive submersion in up to 1.5 meters of water for 30 minutes. Interestingly, charging is expected to improve as well, with reports pointing toward 45-watt fast charging support, making long charging times less of a problem for users. As for the launch timeline, most reports suggest the Galaxy A57 5G will officially arrive in March 2026. The expected price could land around the same range as its predecessor, likely starting near $450 to $500, depending on the market. That's all for now. See you again.